In this video, I will show you how to use DeepSeek. This is going to be a full tutorial, so let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is to go to deepseek.com, and then you can either tap on Start Now or download the app by scanning this QR code. In this case, I'm going to use the web, so I'm going to press on Start Now. Here I can either log in or create an account. Currently, due to large-scale malicious attacks on DeepSeek services, registration may be busy. Please wait and try again. Registered users can log in normally. Thank you for your understanding and support. So keep this in mind that you might not have the possibility to create an account at this specific moment. I am going to try it either way though, so I'm going to tap on sign up, and here I can fill in an email address, password, confirm that password, and fill in my verification code. Then I tap on send code, and then I just paste it over here. I confirm with the TOS and tap on sign up. Let's hope it works. As you can see, we've just created an account. So this UI looks familiar to ChatGPT. We can just type our prompt over here. We can search the web when necessary by enabling this. If you want to use a more advanced version of DeepSeek, you can tap this. As you can see, use DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems. Here you can add files such as documents or images. Here you can see your chat history, and in your profile you can change a few settings such as the language and the theme. Let's just type something. For example, hey, how are you doing today? Just a nice, generous question. Hi, I'm just a virtual assistant, so I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to help you with whatever you need. How are you doing today? Yeah, so this is not really an advanced prompt, of course, but works very great. Let's just ask them the latest news. So we're going to open up a new chat, and we're going to just collapse this sidebar. Then I tap on search. Tell me the latest news in the USA. Press enter. Okay, currently the DeepSeek search service is busy. Please disable your search or try again. Now, as you can see, the servers are very busy right now because a lot of people, millions and millions of people are signing up for DeepSeek. So yeah, it is not working that smoothly as of right now, but probably once you try later on, like in a few hours, it will work. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask DeepSeek one of the hardest math questions out there. As you can see, question 1. And here is the answer. I don't know any of this, but I'm just going to copy this and paste it into DeepSeek. As you can see, I hope that is somewhat readable. Then I tap on this over here because this is a more advanced reasoning problem. And then I press enter. And now as you can see, it is thinking. And the great thing about DeepSeek is that you can see what it thinks about in real time. Compared to ChatGPT, which just gives you the answer. It does not show you what the model is thinking about in real time. But DeepSeek does this, and this is really great. Wait, let's check, and therefore statement and 1 to a true. Let me double check. So it's very good. As you can see, the final answer. So it gives me a full analysis and a final answer. And DeepSeek says that the final answer, the correct answer, is D. So let's double check that, and that is indeed the case. Wow, that is really impressive. So yeah, this is just one way of using DeepSeek. There are so many cases in which this can be very useful. And the great thing is that this is completely free to use as of right now. So you don't have to pay $20 per month for ChatGPT Plus. If you have any questions, just ask them down below and I will be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.